Hello friends, how are you all? Today I will teach you how to make a very simple uh, sandal for baby girls. So I explained you in my previous video about the shoe sole. So I am starting the upper part of the sandal. So this is the middle of my shoe, so I will count 1 2 3 4 5 6. From this side I will start my work. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, make a chain. I am using 2.5 mm. Now in the same stitch make half double crochet, and in the next make double crochet till to the other side, so this is the middle. So I count 1 2 3 4 5 6 and put a stitch marker over here. So it will be easy for me. So do half double crochet till to this side. Now I am here to my next stitch marker, so I will chain one and make single crochet or in all stitches till to the end. Single crochet in all stitches till to the end. Like this. Now again chain one and make half double crochet into all stitches till to the end of other side. Half double crochet, now chain one again, single crochet in all stitches till to the other end. Like this. Single crochet in all stitches. Now chain 16. 1 2 3 4 5. Now make in the 1 2 3 4 5th make half double crochet, and this is the buttonhole, and make half double crochet in all stitches till to the end of this line. Half double crochet. Now here I am to the end of my line of stretch. So now I will continue half double crochet to my back side. So finish it till to the other side. Now I am starting the front side of the shoe. If it is the right shoe, so I will do my work start from this side, and if it is left, so I will start from this side. Now make a now again single crochet into the same stitch. Now again chain 1 and make another single crochet. Now chain 1, turn your work and make single crochet here for 2 times. 1 and this is my second one. Now chain 1 and turn your work and make 1 single, another single, and again third single crochet. Now again chain 1 and turn your work again, and now make single crochet 1 2, and this one is my third, and do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Now chain 1, again turn, make single crochet in 4, like this. Now this one is my fourth. Chain 1, turn your work. Now again one, 2, 3, and make 2 in the last one. So we will have 5 stitches here. So make it as long as you reach to the strap. So I finished my strap till I turn the front side around the strap. So I will stitch it here. It will look like this. Now I completed my work. So this is a very cute little sandal for baby girl. If you want to put a flower over here, 3 flowers, or a bow over here, it's up to you how you make it beautiful. So, and put a button over here. So this is my shoe for 0 to 3 months. I hope you will like it, and see you in next tutorial with new pattern, inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.